Hello, my brilliant little readers. Welcome to story time. Listen. What do you hear? Can you hear the birds singing? I love to listen to the birds singing. I dressed up like a bird for you today. I have my wings on. Can you see them? We're in the garden. It's a beautiful day. And in the garden, there are lots of birds singing for us. Hopefully, we'll see some birds flying by. There's some in the garden. And birds have lots of different songs. That's one of the best things about birds. I mean, they're beautiful. That's so cool. And they fly. So cool. But they love to sing, and that's one of my favorite things. So I wanted to read a story to you today about that. And I dressed up special for you. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to sit down in the garden and get ready to read to you about birds. Here we go. Why do birds sing? This is a Just Ask book. I'm excited to read it to you. It's nonfiction. It's going to tell us the real stuff. Ready? Let's go. Why do birds sing? Hi, my name is Christopher. Did you hear that? I'm sure I heard someone singing. I did too. You did, and it's a bird. Lots of birds sing. I never knew that. Can you tell me, why do birds sing? He won't know. Do you think he knows? I'm not a bird, but our friend Owl can tell us. She knows everything. Well, I am a bird. When I sing, you hear hoot hoot. There are many kinds of songbirds. Each kind has its own song. Hoot. They do. Each bird has its own song. From morning to night, birds can be heard singing. A bird talks to other birds with its song. In early spring, the male bird sings to find a mate. I hear you. Once a mate is found, the bird sings more songs as it builds a nest. Then the bird uses warning calls to keep other birds away from the nesting place. You're too close. When the baby birds are born, they use calls to get attention. The peeping and chirping noises let mother bird know they're hungry or frightened. Peep, chirp, peep. Did you know that birds from the woods and gardens sing more than the ones who live in open spaces? And most birds sing less on sunny days than on cloudy days. Wow. Quite a trio. They never stop. It's so interesting. The robin is one of the best songbirds. It sings a lovely good morning call and a different one for a good night. Robins sing best just before it rains. The male robin sings a beautiful love song to talk to its mate. Aww. Looks like Rain. He has a great voice. Some sparrows and whippoorwills sing best at night. The house wren sings a happy song all day long. Have you ever seen any of these birds? It'd be fun to look. Some birds have calls that say their name. The blue jay says, "Jay, Jay." The chickadee chirps, "Chickadee-dee." The bobwhite calls, "Bob White." The cuckoo says, "Cuckoo, cuckoo." Bob White, cuckoo, Jay, Jay, chickadee-dee. So now if you hear any of those sounds, you'll know which bird is calling. Meow. What? The mockingbird is very talented. It can sound like any bird. It can also cry like a cat or croak like a frog. It mocks or imitates any sound it has heard. That's amazing. Meow. Who said that? Unbelievable. Birds sing warning calls. The sharp caw of the crow lets other birds know of danger. Caw, caw. I don't care for his voice. That's kind of cool, isn't it? Birds call to each other when they want to get together. These songs are called gathering calls. You can hear gathering calls in the fall when birds get ready to fly south. The honking geese and quacking ducks make loud gathering calls. Quack, quack, quack. Honk, honk. Let's go. Baby birds chirp for attention. Loud calls give warnings. Birds give calls to get together. The birds sing to find mates and build nests. The bird songs fill the air with music. Oh, I love those sounds. Can you hear them? And now I know why birds sing. Me too. The end. I hope you loved our book, and I hope you enjoyed learning why the birds sing. And now when you go outside, maybe even today, you'll listen to the birds singing and the bird songs. Oh, the little birdie just flew right out of its bird's home. I wish you could see. I'm gonna bring you over. Do you see in here? Little birdie's living there. He just flew out. Sorry you missed it. But if we listen, there's birds singing all around us. It's beautiful. You can sing with them too. Go outside and see if you can. It's beautiful. Go outside and see what you can hear. Thank you for reading with me today. I love you. I miss you.